want to focus today on from the point of opening the sample capsule and moving forward, because those photos of it looks like, basic kind of charcoal dust, but there was something magical about that stuff. It's something extraterrestrial. It really is. And I'm wondering if you could talk a little bit about now, how did the process start after you got it open? And what are some of the things that you're starting to now uncover from the analysis of the sample?
Yeah, thanks, John. So the capsule's kind of like a nested doll. So there's all these different layers of protection, thermal protection and protection from the atmosphere through filters and so on. And so we very quickly got rid of all the components whose job was done. We're past the atmospheric passage, so we don't need the heat shield anymore. And that got us down to what's called the science canister, which is like the treasure box. Inside is the device that actually contacted the asteroid surface, and the sample is contained within that. We got the treasure box open within a couple of days, and we could see there was fine dust and small particles on the order of millimeter size distributed around outside the sample collector. And that was great. We kind of expected it because this thing came through the atmosphere. There was a lot of pressure, there was shock, it tumbled for a little bit, and we were able to sample that material and get it into our laboratories immediately. So science was really coming that first week right after sample return. Of course, we had to get into the collector where most of the material was stored, and that was challenging. There was a lot of news about unfasten a couple of screws that held that device together, but we were able to extract material from its interior also by going, out through the indoor. And we pulled 70 grams of sample out that way in October, and then we finally got those screws unstuck in January, and the total return from the mission is over 120 grams, or more than twice the mission requirement.